Hello everyone, this is Kingsley from Bless Channel. In case you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to always click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you be the first to get the notified whenever I upload new videos. If you notice, whenever you search for a particular item in on WordPress, you will notice that the search results usually brings out both content from pages and also from post sections. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do advanced filter to WordPress search results. So now let's see how let me show you something here. You can see if I should come to my WordPress site, if I should come here and let me say I want to search for something. Let me say I want to search for know about. Okay, let me go to the post so that you see. I'm actually coming to post. You can see I'm on post and I want to search for, let's say, this particular post. You can see I'm having know about as part of the text. Yeah, so I'm going to now search for that particular post. You should see if I should click on my search button and I search for something. Let me say know about, and I search for it. Let's say I search for know about. You will see that the search results, you can see from the search results over here, you can see I'm having the post. You can see the post here know about, but I'm also having, you can see other pages. All these are pages, you can see them, and other irrelevant things on this particular website. You can see I don't want to see all these pages. You can see privacy policy, these are just pages, and I don't want to see all these pages on my search results. If you are on WordPress, it's actually difficult for you to customize that for you, but in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do that easily. You don't even need to have any knowledge of code to do this, because I'm going to be providing every necessary things you'll be needing for this tutorial. You can check the description box below. You are going to see where I the link to the resources, to the codes I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So you can check the description box below. You'll be seeing the link to download to get the codes you'll be using. So I'm not going to, I don't want to use plugin for this, and too much plugin for this, because of, so that I won't have my website running low or slow. One thing as a web developer, one thing you should always have in your on your website is your code snippet. In this code snippets we actually help you to have piece of codes in your website. You can use it instead of having lots and lots of plugins. You can just have those custom codes in your code snippets and it will work for you. So now you can just come to your plugins, click on add new plugins. Once you click on add new plugins, you wait for it to load. So once it's finished loading, you are going to search for code snippets. You are going to search for code snippets. You can see I already went ahead to do the search. You are going to search for code snippets. When it comes out, this is the one actually I prefer using. In most cases, this is the one I usually use for my designs. So once you click on search for it, you click on this one, install and activate it. Once you install and activate it, it's going to take you maybe to somewhere here. You can see it's installed and activated, so that you can see its code snippets. So from here you can click on all to view all the codes. You can see when you click on view all codes, it's going to be default. It actually comes with several codes, but all these are not showing. They are already turned off. So now you can leave it there, but what we are focused on is to I'm going to click on add new. So I'm going to add new code to my design. So you can name this whatever you want to name it. So let me say I'm going to name this as code snippet for post filter. Let me say I'm naming this like this. So now on this side, check the description box below. I'm going to be dropping the code you'll be using. So once you get your code, you are going to come here and paste your code here. You can see this is my code. This is my code. I've pasted the for custom code here. So now I'm going to what you can see on this, I actually said it should only get post type. You can see from the post type, the query is post type and it's going to be posts only. So there's nothing like any other, there's no pages on this. So now let's just you don't bother about any, this code will actually solve what you need. So you can just leave every other settings the way it is. If you wish, you can add description, but I'm going to just leave it the way it is. So you can click on save changes and activate. So once you click on save changes and activate, your work is done. So now you can come to all snippets. You are going to see that on check down, you're going to see down. So you now see that your code, you can see this one is actually active. You can click here to turn it off, but you can see this is actually active. So once you do this, I will now go to the website. So my website again. Okay, let me go to my homepage and see what. Okay, as I am on my homepage now, so I'm going to now do the same search again. Now let's try and see. Let me still search for the know about. You can see by this time when I search for know about, the only thing that will display on my post now, on my search result, will only be posts. You can see from the search, let me see, you can see there is nothing like pages on this particular search result. You can see how everything is now. You can see with just little piece of code, just how many lines of code, just like 5 to 6 lines of code, I've been able to remove, to completely filter my pages to my search results to what I actually want. So you can see, I know many of you might have been having issue with this on your website. So I believe this particular video might have fixed your problem. So in cases you enjoy this video or this video has been helpful, please just ensure you hit on the like button, and please don't, I'll be very grateful if you just drop a comment on the comment in the comment box section below. So this is where I'm going to stop for this tutorial. If you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and always turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye for now.